Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. As you know, I've been alarming my house there with different cameras and different motion detection units there, and I made a few videos about that. Well, what way to complete that than with a doorbell that does the same thing? So let's take a look at this doorbell, you and I. Come on. Since I have alarmed the house, the next logical step was to replace my old-fashioned doorbell with a modern one that has a camera, motion detection, night vision, two-way audio, and an anti-theft alarm. I also wanted it to connect to my existing alarm network of cameras, so I wouldn't need to be switching apps to see all around my house. And I did find one doorbell that has all of these features, and it fits nicely within my budget. It is the RedBloom wireless doorbell camera with chime. My other security cameras have good coverage around the house, but none of them were covering the front door specifically, so I ordered this doorbell camera. Having a doorbell that works as a security camera with motion detection is a nice plus. The doorbell camera includes a chime box that has more than 10 distinct chimes, a Type-C charging cord, although no outlet adapter was included, but everyone has those on hand anyway. It also has a mounting bracket, screws, and mounting tape, a small screwdriver, and believe it or not, even batteries for the chime. The chime box itself has a Type-C recharging port. It has a volume control and a chime selection, which you can actually select simply by pressing it. The setup was surprisingly easy. Charge up the doorbell and put the batteries in the chime. It also has an internal rechargeable battery. Download the CloudEdge app onto your Apple or Android phone and follow the steps. The doorbell found my Wi-Fi and connected effortlessly. Next, the doorbell connected to the chime as soon as I had pressed the doorbell button. After everything was connected with the CloudEdge app and the chime box, I just fastened the mounting bracket next to the door. The doorbell bracket can be attached with either the included screws, the mounting tape, or both. Since I was fastening it to a rough stucco siding, I opted for the mounting tape. I also added some liquid nails. The camera has a nice, sleek appearance when mounted. The image from the camera is sharp and clear. There is no angle to the bracket. It just points straight ahead. But the camera has a nice wide view so that it will easily pick up anyone approaching or standing at the door. The doorbell camera has many nice features such as night vision, motion detection, and a tamper alarm. Both the doorbell and the chime are wireless, which makes installation a snap. I much prefer having to occasionally charge the camera or replace the batteries in the chime box rather than go through the hassle of running wires to the camera or having to plug them into the chime box. The chime is very compact, so that you can tuck it away anywhere, and it has several chimes to select from, and the volume is adjustable. The camera will record to either a cloud subscription or to a mini SD card, which is not included. The camera has two-way audio so that you can speak with whoever is at the door, and it has a voice changer letting you select from 3 different voices. These are normal, clown, and uncle. It has a loud tamper alarm that will warn you if anyone tries to remove the camera from the mount or take the camera. The motion detection works in both daylight and pitch dark situations because of its infrared night vision, but obviously it will not track motion. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home. All in all, it is an impressive doorbell camera, and I do recommend it. So there you have it. I do recommend the RedBloom wireless doorbell camera with chime. As what we talked about there, it's actually a very nice unit. Hey, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question or an idea for a future video. I'll make sure I make a video about it as soon as I can. And thank you for staying to the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Selman Teacher 7, I hope you do, as that really helps the channel there. Alrighty, well, you all have a very good day, and bye-bye.